Hello! Hello! Welcome. First brew day of the year. Lovely day. Mid-January. About 75 degrees Fahrenheit out. Can't beat Southern California winters, can you? It did just rain recently though, which is weird. I'm in the middle of a brew day. Full disclosure, I sometimes film these things out of sequence, but it's alright, you don't need to know that. Today, yes, another IPA. It's alright though, that's okay. You know, you guys are used to it. It's not a big deal. I'm doing an experimental hop I've wanted to try for a while called Zappa. Let me get it. So this was a hop called Neomexicanus. I've used that kind of hop before. It's called the one called Medusa, and allegedly it's 100% only grown, found from the land only from North America. And this says grown exclusively from CLS Farms. It's Zappa's 100% neomexicanus hop, aroma hop from the mountains of New Mexico, evolving independently. So I guess they found these hops, they grew them up. There's a whole story on it too, I've heard. I'll try and find an article and link it in the description below. I think it's in a BYO article somewhere. But Medusa was the first one, and now Zappa is being released. And this is passion fruit, mint, spice, tropical fruits, fruity pebbles, alpha acids between 5 and 6.8%. And what I have is 5.6%. Myrcene is a big oil used in a lot of like grapefruit resinous sort of flavors and a lot of major hops that you and I both love. This is 64%. That's very high. That should be a lovely like hop aroma going on. Because I only have 2 ounces of this, I need a lot. Doing a 2-gallon batch, I'm actually splitting it up into a saison, a funky saison culture I have going on. I might even just compare those both and lump in the same brew days here instead of separating it out. But we'll see how that goes. Pecco is my bittering hop, P-E-K-K-O. So Pecco can have allegedly like a really nice clean bittering flavor to it. It is named for its complex clean characteristics, floral, citrus, and mint. But allegedly it says here, making efficient when used as a bittering hop. And this is 18% alpha acids, 18.5 to be exact. So what I'm going to do something different on this one. Oh, my propane's running out. Hold on. My propane ran out. I'll continue in a second. Okay, where were we? Hops. So what I've been doing recently in all my IPA batches is charging it a little bit of an early bittering addition, and then I add like a huge charge at the end, let it seat for 15 to 30 minutes at like 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Sometimes that's all I do. And I'm doing a bittering addition, and I haven't been boiling recently. Hasn't been a problem, but I thought I'd try something I haven't done in a while, and that's just do a bittering addition for about 45 minutes in the boil, and then get my IBUs at around 75 or so, and then hit it at the end at 0 minutes with Zappa, and then again a dry hopping at Zappa. So it'd be cool to see what this imparts of an aroma and some flavor, and then this Pecco hopefully just has some clean bitteriness and maybe some extra little nuggets along the way. A little bit different, but I think I can get a lot of my flavor and aroma just fine with just a lot of dry hopping. So, and I think I might use the Cross Maloof yeast again. The first time I used it, I had a weird contamination, but I think it was just a processing problem. 3 to 4 times after, it's been fine. I'm just using 2-row. I'll put my recipe in the description below so everyone can see that if you want. And yeah, let's run through the earlier part of the brew day and then finish this puppy out. Okay, I haven't taken a pH reading in a while. I might just leave it whatever it is, unless it's like radically outrageous. I eyeballed it. I put about 2 milliliters of lactic acid into this. Oh, not too bad at all. All right, I'll take 5.3. Trying something different. I took some of the wort off to take a gravity reading, and I decided to hydrate my yeast into it, or rehydrate my yeast, I should say. I've never heard of that being done before. Usually it's in water. Hopefully it's not a terrible idea. I'm sure someone will comment below if it's a bad idea, but we'll see how it goes. First the IPA. The gravity was at 1063. That's my target. It's actually a hair short, but by barely. I cut the mash off by 15 minutes. I only did a 45-minute mash. I just wanted to see what would happen. And I did suffer about 2 to 3 percent points of a drop in efficiency, for what it's worth. So I'm putting some fresh yeast into this Saison. I forgot what the initial strains were. I'll throw it right here. It's terrible. I should have looked it up ahead of time, but here we are. And here's a slurry for it. Maybe I'll do the Saison tasting later because it does take a while for it to finish out. So yeah, the IPA will probably most likely be first. I won't do it side by side. They're gonna be so different anyway. But yeah, I'm excited to see what these Zappa hops do and Pecco, if I get anything out of that. Most likely it'll just be the Zappa I'm getting, the flavor and aroma. That's what I'm hoping. I will hit it with another dry hopping. I did an ounce for 2 gallons. Just now at 0, and I'll do another ounce of dry hopping in a 1 gallon batch. So that's it. Yeah, gotta be back. More brew days to come, obviously. More things to come. More excitement. More beer things. More things. More things. And yeah, subscribe. Do that if you feel like it. So yeah, see you next time.